welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys the coupon inserts for this coming Sunday. It is going to be an awesome week. I would recommend getting lots of inserts if I were you. Now, please remember that these are regional, so not everybody will get the same inserts, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I found these inserts on forthemamas.com, and they basically just give you guys a preview. So we're getting Alberto VO5. I haven't seen those coupons for a while. Otherwise, if we do get them, I don't get them. Looks like we're getting a lot of All-May coupons. $1 off of one, $2 off of one, $3 off of one eyeshadow, $3 off of two, $4 off of one. I've never seen that many All-May coupons in my life. So that is crazy. We're getting $3 off of Boost, 50 cents off of Colgate, Curve, Q-Tex. This is $1 off of one nail polish remover. I haven't seen Q-Tex for a while. Eucerin, $2 off of one body and baby. 50 cents off of soap. Irish Springs, $1 off of one. LA Look, 75 cents. Nivea. Rave, 50 cents off of hairspray. And then look at all these Revlon coupons. Oh my goodness, you guys. I hope we actually get these. Like, $1 off of one nail, $2 off of that, $2 off of brow, $2 off of hair dye, $2 off of eyeliner, mascara. I don't even know if these, that is just crazy. That is crazy. Speed Stick, 50 cents. Then that is the Smart Source number 2. We're getting Airwick commercials. Coupons, Clarispray, Claritin, Dole, 75 cents. Ensure, $7 off of 2. That is a pretty good coupon. Halls, $1 off of 2. Nature Valley, 50 cents off of 2. We're also getting OxyClean, 50 cents, $1.50, $1 and $1. Schick Razors, $4 off of 1. That's a great coupon. We're also getting a Smart Source number 3. Now, please remember, everybody is getting different inserts. Not everybody gets all this stuff. But we're getting 50 cents off of Cottonelle, Scott's, Tic Tac Gum, 50 cents, and 50 cents off of mints or mixers. I really love those coupons. Jergens Natural Glow, Sally Henson, Duracell, Nasacort, Act, Mouthwash, Zyzal. And then now it's Retail Me Not Every Day. It's no longer Red Plum, but if you guys hear me say Red Plum, I'm sorry. It's just a habit, you know, from couponing for years. But we got Advil, $1 off of one, $3 off of one, $3 off of one. We're getting Ollie. Aussie, $2 off of 2 or $3 off of 3. Barilla Ready Pasta Pouch, $1 off of 2 Dial Soap, $1 off of 1 Body Wash. Got to Be, $2 off of 1. Herbal Essence, 2 off of 2 or 3 off of 3. Sorry, I'm cutting it off on you guys. Nexium, Minute Maid, M&M's, buy one chocolate candies, get us probably another one for free. Number 7, we're getting $2 off Persil laundry detergent. Purex, Quilted Northern, Renews-Its, lots of Renews-Its. Right Guard, $1 off of 1. Schwarzkopf, 3 off of 1, 4 off of 2 of Gliss. Waterpik, and then the Whole Earth Sweetener, which I'm kind of excited about because there can be some good deals with Ibotta with that. Here is Retail Me Not number 2. We're getting the Bar S, which I think is like a hot dog brand. Caress, $1 off of 1. Dove, $1 off of 1. Dove Men's Care, $1 off of 1. Garnier Fructis, $4 off of 2. So that's a great coupon. Another Garnier Nutrice hair dye, $2 off of 1. Or Garnier Skin Active, $2 off of 1. Tons of L'Oreal coupons, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1, 2. Exactly. Lots of L'Oreal coupons. We're getting Purina Dog Chow, 7th Generation, Suave, 50 cents and 75 cents, and then we're getting $2 off of 1 Disney Purely Fun products. That could be a great coupon. So that is the inserts that we are getting. It looks like there's 5 inserts, but please keep in mind that these are all different for everybody. I will only get maybe about half of that, not even, but I just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys want, you can go to forthemamas.com and you guys can read the same breakdown. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later for another video. Goodbye.